In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to circle text in Google Docs. This is a neat trick that can really make certain parts of your document stand out, whether you're creating a guide, a presentation, or just adding some personal flair to your document. Let's get started. First, with your Google Docs document open, direct your attention to the top menu. Here, you'll want to locate and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover over Drawing and then select New. This will open up a new window where you can create graphics to add to your document. In this drawing window, you'll see an assortment of tools. We're going to focus on the Shape tool. Click on this and you'll find a variety of shapes available. For circling text, we'll want to choose the circle shape. If your aim is more of an oval than a perfect circle, you can opt for the oval instead. After selecting your shape, use your mouse to drag and draw the shape on the drawing canvas. You have full control here to adjust the size and dimensions to frame your text perfectly. Once you've created the circle or oval, it's time to work around its appearance. Now let's make this shape transparent so it only outlines the text without overshadowing it. To do this, locate the Fill Color option at the top of the window. Click on it, and from the color options, select Transparent. This ensures that only the border of the circle will be visible, making the text underneath still perfectly readable. Once that's set, click the Save and Close option found in the same window. This action will add the shape to your document, but we're not quite done yet. To ensure the shape fits naturally with the text, we'll need to adjust its position. Click on the shape you just inserted in your document. You'll see several options pop up. Look for the Behind Text option and click on it. This tells Google Docs to layer the shape behind your text, allowing you to achieve a clean and professional look. Now for the most precise placement, let's adjust the shape's position settings. Click on the 3 horizontal lines associated with your shape to access Image Options. Navigate to All Image Options and then select Positions. From here, choose Fix Position on Page. This allows you to place the shape exactly where you want it without it moving around as you add more text to your document. And there you have it. You've successfully circled text in Google Docs, providing emphasis and style in a few quick steps. Use this method to highlight important sections or to bring more creativity to your documents. Thanks for watching and happy editing.